How do I add an employee schedule? To adjust an employee's schedule, we will go into the Employees section by clicking on the Employees menu option in the Encore menu. From here, select the employee whose schedule you want to adjust. Next, we will set the employee's rotating schedule under the Work Schedule tab. Once you have finished setting the scheduled hours here, the employee's availability on the appointment book will repeat each week according to the schedule. The employee's default schedule drop-down menu under Rotation is set to use their employment start date. If you wish to change the date that the schedule begins on, click the Edit Rotation button. This will let you set the start date for the current rotation of the employee's schedule and will determine when to start to show them on the appointment book. The Add New Rotation button is used to end the current schedule and add a new one. This is useful for adding future schedule changes in advance to avoid booking appointments incorrectly when an employee's schedule changes. Note that you cannot add hours on days that are grayed, as the business has been closed in the business hours area. If needed, you can adjust business hours under the System menu option where it says Business Hours to be able to add a schedule on the days that are closed. To add an employee's schedule, we will click and drag on each day of the week that they are working to add in the employee's hours. Once you add hours on a specific day, a window will open for you to adjust the start and end hours as well as the ability to add a break if this employee has a regularly scheduled break each day. This break will occur at the same time each week. You can also drag and drop the time block to adjust the start and end time. Drag from the end of the time block to adjust the end time. Click on the time block and then click the trash icon to delete the set hours on a certain day. We will now add in the rest of the employee's hours. When you are finished adjusting the employee's hours, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. We have now finished adding an employee's repeating schedule. Thanks for watching.